Hey everyone, welcome back! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a payment method to your PayPal account so you can start sending and receiving money, shopping online, or transferring funds to your bank. Let's get started. First, log into your PayPal account. If you're using a computer, look at the top of the page and click on the Wallet tab. This is where you manage all your payment methods. If you're using a business account, click on the Pay and Get Paid tab instead, and then choose Money from the menu. If you're using the PayPal mobile app, you can skip that step. Just tap the three-line menu icon in the corner of your screen and select Add Banks and Cards. Now that you're in your wallet, click Link a Card or Bank. You'll see this button near the top left of the page. Next, choose the type of payment method you want to add. You have a few options here. You can link a debit or credit card to make purchases online or send money instantly. PayPal accepts most major cards: Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. You can even add a prepaid gift card if it carries one of those logos. If you prefer to connect your bank account, select that option instead. Linking your bank account lets you withdraw funds from PayPal directly into your bank balance, which is useful for transferring payments or cashing out your PayPal balance. Now, depending on your bank, you might be able to connect your account automatically. PayPal will show you a list of supported banks if you see your bank's logo. Just click it and follow the on-screen instructions to log in securely and connect your account. If your bank doesn't appear on the list, you'll need to link your payment method manually. It's easy. Just type in your account details. If you're linking a bank account, you'll enter your account number and routing number. You can find those numbers at the bottom of your checks or in your banking app. If you're adding a card, enter the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code on the back of the card. Once you've entered everything, click Link Card or Agree and Link if it's a bank account. Now, if you entered your bank information manually, PayPal will need to confirm that the account really belongs to you. Within the next 24 to 48 hours, PayPal will send 2 small deposits into your bank account, usually less than $1 in total. After 2 business days, check your bank statement to find the exact amounts of those 2 deposits. Then, go back to your PayPal account, open the Wallet tab, and click the Confirm button next to your bank's name. Enter the 2 amounts exactly as they appear on your bank statement, and click Confirm Bank. Once you've done that, your payment method will be fully linked and verified. You can now use your PayPal Balance bank account or card to send and receive money, shop online, and transfer funds anytime you need to, and that's it. You've successfully added a payment method to your PayPal account. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.